Whoa,
That was a good cracking sound.
that was good.
Yeah.
It's like an ASMR channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Like we're like, yes, sound sample. 3, 2.
Why are you counting?
Because we usually count when we chug, so I thought, why not? Should I chug this seltzer?
Do it.
Okay. Oh god, it's deep in there. Oh no. Okay, whatever. I would say this isn't as easy as the beer. I burped when I was getting the car today, and I was like, he wasn't here. We can do some bone cracks too.
Yeah, it exists. They have a category on Clips for Sale, I think.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Oh god. Whoa. Oh. Oh. It was like I got confused. I tried to do closed mouth, but my instincts were to open my mouth, and I was like, I was like actually trying to hold my hand up to my mouth, but it just kept coming. Wow. That was like 3 different tones. It was like a musical instrument. That was only half a beer. Woo! Oh, it was as good as I thought.